Okay, so let us move to the next video. And there is a small mistake which I have done in the previous video. I've been analyzing this global interferences, but I have not seen or read this data properly. Okay, so after the video I've again checked it, and I was seeing that the interference of the cable is not with the lower, but it is indeed with the upper block. So in the earlier video, if you notice, we have hidden the upper cover and we were trying to understand where is the interference. But after the video, when I brought all the parts together and again I've checked it, checked the interference, and I found the interference is with the upper part, as you can see in this global interference checker or analyzer, right? So where is the interference with upper part? You can see the interferences of the material is with this in this region. Now we can just go to the view option, click on sections, activate the show interferences icon, select on the upper one, and select the upper surface and push it downward, and now you can clearly see that this is the interference. All right, now what we can do is we can remove the material from the top. All right, so for that, what do we need to do is, first let me turn off the surface. I'll click on this surface. I'll activate the cable gland, activate the surface, click extrude and cut section, so we can just remove this region. I'll be clicking on project, so I'm projecting the reference of the upper cover and I'll join it with the straight line, make a corner over here so that a closed loop is formed. Alright, now I'll go to the references and delete off the upper block, solve it, close it, mirror it on the other side so that we can remove the interference on both the sides together. I'll just go to the material removal. Alright, and I'll just press remove material at this moment. Material is being removed. Alright, now let us go to the analysis and check the interferences. Now you'll be having the interferences with screws but not the upper gland, so I believe we have sorted. Now we are mentally satisfied. And yeah, mistake happens sometimes. We misread it or we try to forget reading it, but you know, we all are human, so we make mistakes, and I have done the same thing on the previous video. So it's the bottom point is we have to read the data properly in order to come to a conclusion. All right, now let us hop to the next video and complete the remaining set of features in order to make this product better and efficient. Thank you.